everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some vintage style kitchen decorating ideas. Let's start the video. Vintage style kitchen decor is all about bringing warmth, nostalgia and timeless charm into your kitchen. It draws an inspiration from past decades, especially the 1920s to the 1970s, and combines antique elements with cozy, homey touches. Here is a breakdown of what makes a kitchen truly vintage. Key features of vintage style kitchen decor. Use retro color palette like soft pastels like mint green, battery yellow, blush pink, and robin's egg blue. Use creamy whites and faded hues give an aged, gentle look. Use antique or reproduction appliances, old-fashioned stoves, enamel ovens, or retro-style trays like Smeg or Big Chill. Use vintage-style toasters, mixers, and kettles with rounded corners and chrome finishes. Open shelving and displayed dishes. Shelves lined with floral china, teacups, or Pyrex glassware. Use messengers, vintage tins, and ceramic pitchers used for storage and display. Decorative touches. Use floral curtains, gingham tablecloths, crocheted pot holders, and lace runners. Use framed botanical prints, old signs, chalkboards, and enamel wall art. Furniture with character, painted wood cabinets or distressed finishes. Use freestanding arches or cupboards with glass doors. Farmhouse style tables and vintage dining chairs. Patterns and texture. Checkered floors, subway tiles, bedboard walls, or floral wallpaper. Use textiles like linen, lace, and cotton. Bring softness and charm. Mix of old and new. True vintage pieces from cheap stories or inherited, mixed with modern conveniences. It is about creating a feeling, not a perfect historical replica. Overall vibe. The vintage kitchen is warm, lived in, and inviting. It celebrates history and handcrafted details. Whether it is a 1950s dinner look or a rustic 1930s farmhouse kitchen, the goal is to evoke sweet memories and timeless comfort. The soul of a vintage kitchen. A vintage kitchen feels like a warm memory, like stepping into your grandmother's kitchen, filled with the smell of baked bread and the hum of a kettle. It is nostalgic, personal, and rooted in a sense of comfort and simplicity. Everything feels loved, useful, and beautifully worn. Vintage kitchen themes and inspirations. Farmhouse vintage is weathered wood, open shelves, and enamelware. Use apron front sink, cast iron pans, and milk glass. A palette of warm creams, faded blue, and soft shades. Mid-century retro, 1950s to 1960s. Uses bright pastels like aqua, pink, red, chrome accents. Checkerboard floors, atomic starburst, and formica tables. Tenant sets, red boxes, and jukebox vibes. English cottage vintage is floral wallpaper, chintz fabrics, and oak beams. Cupboards, sculpted shelves, aging, hand-painted dishes, an earthy floral or poetic charm. Common materials and textures: oud, painted, distressed, or natural, metal, old iron, brass, or aged copper fixtures. Textiles, hand-sewn curtains, embroidered linens, lace-edged towels. Ceramics and glassware, transferware, hobnail, glass, messengers. Vintage kitchen accessories to love: canisters, tin or glass sets, labeled flour, sugar, and tea. Utensil crocks, filled with wooden spoons, hand wicks, or ladles. Vintage skulls, functional or decorative, old radios or clocks, still ticking or simply there for charm. Wall decor, framed recipes, herb trying racks, and vintage ants. Color shapes you can try: soft and sweet, cream, blush, dusty rose, mint green, country warm, mustard, burnt red, buttery yellow, and soft brown. Classic retro, cherry red, turquoise, black, and white. Styling secrets of an authentic look: mix old with new gracefully. A modern stove can still work bedside a vintage hut or rustic shelves. Use layered textures: pair smooth tiles with rough linens, shiny ceramics with matte wood. Decorate with purpose: let your utensils, mixing bowls, and dishes be part of the decor. Display collections: teacups, spice jars, cookbooks, even old cookie cutters and character. Keep it cozy and inviting. A small lamp on the counter or a handmade jug can add instant warmth. Emotional essence of a vintage kitchen. Time slows down in a vintage kitchen. It evokes memories of home-cooked meal, hand-eaten recipes, and a loving lived-in space. The heart of the style is sentimental storytelling. Every item has a history or feels like it could. It is less about being perfect and more about being authentically homely. Sensory experience: sight, soft lighting, floral patterns, whether tears, enamel shine, or hand-stitched fabrics. Touch: textures from wood cranes, rosetted pot holders, ceramic mugs, and linen towels. Sound: the crack of wooden floor, the tick of a wall clock, gentle couplings of dishes. Smell fresh baked herbs drying, vintage candles or hints of cinnamon and vanilla. Taste. All is connected: apple pie, tea, toast, or homemade jam. Decor zones inside a vintage kitchen, baking corner. Use rolling pins, flour tins, mixing bowls, cookbooks on a stand. Hang measuring spoons, display vintage bakeware. Coffee or tea nook, teacups on hooks, enamel teapots, vintage kettle and sugar bowl. Add a tray with floral napkins or a crocheted toilet. Pantry or open shelving, glass jars with handwritten labels. Use vintage tins, spice racks, and wooden crackers. Windowsill decor, teeny flower vases, antique bottles, mini herb pots. Also use embroidered cafe curtains or lace valances. Dining table centerpiece, a weighted fruit bowl, hand-woven placemats, or a patchwork quilt runner. Seasonal vintage touches, spring, use fresh florals, pastel tablecloths, bunny or egg motifs. Summer, use gingham patterns, lemon prints, enamel pictures with sunflowers. Autumn, use copper cookware, pumpkins, late linens, dried sweet bundles. Winter, braid chicks, vintage cookie tins, candles, and handmade garlands. Common handmade and DIY elements: crochet or lace, bowl covers, placemats, or chair pads. Use hand embroidered tea towels or aprons. Repurposed old cabinet doors into chalkboards or zigzag. Painted mason jars used as utensil holders or flower vases. Furniture with vintage personality: Batka block or firm tables, old-aged, chunky legs, raw wood fill, preacher bird stools, curved chrome legs, vinyl seats, in mint or cherry red. Painted cabinets with glass doors or vintage-style hardware like ceramic knobs. Vintage kitchen is not just a style, it is a feeling. It tells stories, it hugs you with warmth. It invites you to sit down, sip tea, and stay a while. Historical jokes, where the style comes from. Vintage kitchen decor draws influence from several decades, 1920s to 1930s. Farmhouse simplicity with utilitarian charm, painted cabinets, cast iron sinks, and handmade textiles. 1940s to 1950s, cheerful and colorful wartime recovery, pastel appliances, floral curtains, checkered floors. 1960s to 70s, bold colors and retro energy, funky patterns, bright enamel art, and playful details. Each era contributes elements, and now playing together. for that warmth, memory-filled kitchen style. Vintage plus modern vintage, authentic vintage, real antique or second-hand items from past decades. Modern vintage inspired, new items made to look old. A brand new smoke phrase that looks like it is from the 1950s. Combining the two gives flexibility, beauty plus function, without sacrificing comfort. Signature decorative details, elements, cabinet handles, vintage touch, porcelain knobs, antique brass bowls. Elements curtains, vintage touch, gingham, lace, floral or ruffled cafe curtains. Element backglasses, vintage touch, beadboard panels, subway tiles or floral tiles. Wall art, vintage touch, retro food ads, embroidered codes and framed recipes. Lighting, use pendant lights, milk glass shades or vintage sconces. Clocks, metal frame, thick chalk wall clocks with faded numbers. Vintage styling rules, soft guidelines, nothing too shiny or perfect. Embrace chipped paint, rubbed corners, or mismatched chairs. It adds soul. Tell a story. Your kitchen should feel collected over time, not like it was bought in one day. Use what you love. Vintage style is not just about strict rules, it is about nostalgia and joy. Functional can be beautiful. Everyday item like rolling pins, pots, colanders can double as decor. Styling tip by Jones, countertop decor. Use bread box, ceramic jars, oven does a scale, fresh fruit, and oven basket. Walls, hanging cast iron pans, retro signac or pegboards with tools. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.